Happy Sabbath everyone! It's May 18, 2024 and it's a very beautiful Saturday morning. So let us give thanks for all the blessings na dumating sa buhay natin at sa mga blessings na darating pa din po kasama mga pagsubok at mga challenges ng buhay natin, which makes our life challenging and exciting syempre. And siyempre doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin, sa mga taong tutulong sa atin at sa mga taong nakikimarites lang din po doon sa buhay natin, salamat din tayo sa kanila. Shout out kay Glenda, kay Glensno, kay Pucci, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Boris, kay Mama Lou, kay Luis and Susan, kay Toti and Christine, Julie and Hannah Pisolante ng Suarez, Silicon City, Ernie, Anthony Orby, and Jackie Villarin ng Suarez, Silicon City. Mabel Andres, Gima David, Ine Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, Cinta Baron, Rachel Pastolero, It's My Love, Luchi Ortiz, officer, sa lahat ng officers and members ng Elegant City Riders Federation. Ayun. So, purpose of the day natin po is learn to work and navigate within the limits that other people set for you. Familiarize yourself to the limits of such limitations, study its pros and cons, and push yourself to the edge of such limitations. By then, you will be limitless. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, happy Sabbath to all.